हेलो ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मिस्टिकल हनी। सो आज हम एक जनरल लव रीडिंग करेंगे. दिस विल बी फॉर ऑल साइंस एंड दिस इज़ अ टाइमलेस रीडिंग. सो वेन एवर यू कम अक्रॉस दिस रीडिंग may have some insights for you. Okay, so if you are new to my channel and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. And in this reading we will see the overall energy in the no contact situation, the thoughts of the person you are dealing with and your energies around it, what are the blockages and what is the advice for you. Okay, at the end we will also take some guiding messages from the angels and ancestors deck and some channeled messages, so please do stay till the end. Alright, so let's see what do the cards have here. What's the current energy in this situation? What's the current energy in love in this situation? What's the current energy in love in this situation? This is a no contact reading, so it can be, please see how it resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see. Alright. Okay. I see past में ऐसी कोई energy थी where either you or this person was trying to balance two different things. Maybe it was like, for some of you, I feel that there was you were dealing with a person. आप किसी ऐसे कनेक्शन में थे या ऐसे पर्सन के साथ डील कर रहे थे जिन्हें कुछ कमिटमेंट इश्यूज हो सकते हैं. Okay, maybe this person is already committed to somebody and they were kind of juggling and not able to decide on what do they want in their life, and because of that आप उस connection से आपने अपने आप को दूर कर लिया. It's like you chose to step away from that kind of energy. Okay, let's see what's more. Somewhere you have left that situation and left that connection, surrendering to the universe, surrendering to the the path, trusting the path you are taking. It's like somewhere you got this, you are working on your intuition to understand what works best for you for your highest good. Okay, and you are not afraid of taking the new road. You are ready to learn new things and ready to step ahead in your life. As I said, something ended, right? You moved ahead and you had somewhere cut off. आपने किसी कनेक्शन को ख़त्म कर दिया है जो आपको पीस नहीं दे रहा था, जो कमिटमेंट नहीं दे रहा था, जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे उस कनेक्शन से. ओके, एंड आप नए रास्ते पे आगे जाने से यू आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ इट. ओके, initially this person or this connection was making you feel stuck and you were not able to see things clearly and which path you have to go. आप डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे थे कि आपको रुकना चाहिए इस कनेक्शन में या नहीं रुकना चाहिए, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट योर ग्रोथ वॉज समवेयर, आपकी ग्रोथ रुक गई थी. That is what I see. And now it's like, sorry, it's not in reverse. So it's like now there is a growth coming in. Okay, it can be like आप अपने फिनेंसेस पे, अपनी ग्रोथ पे, अपने करियर पे, अपने प्रोफेशन पे ध्यान दे रहे हो और ना कि अपनी एनर्जी इस कनेक्शन पे, और यू आर यूजिंग इट, और आई शुड से you are wasting your energy in this connection which was not for your good, for your growth, for your highest good. So somewhere there is an energy of cut off. Yeah, and when you have ended this connection, जब आपने ये connection ख़त्म किया, so there is a different kind of energy of starting something new, feeling complete within yourself, and not being afraid of what you're doing. It's like somebody, there is a energy or there is a divine energy which is protecting you and you're not afraid of walking in the new path. So आप जिस भी नए रास्ते को आपने ऑप्ट किया है, या आप अपने स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी पे हो, या आप किसी नए प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हो, किसी हॉबी पे आप काम कर रहे हो, you know that you are divinely protected and nothing can harm you. You are working on your growth. I strongly feel कि आप ये किसी स्पेसिफिक के लिए हो सकता है कि आप अपने स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ पे भी काम कर रहे हो एट द सेम टाइम, बट समवेयर डीप डाउन आपको ये थॉट्स आता है कि वट एवर वॉज देयर, विल आई बी एबल टू overcome that energy. That is what is happening. You are not sure कि will you be able to completely come out of that zone or not. That is what the energy is. बट आपको इस चीज़ पे ध्यान देना है कि इट्स ए न्यू बर्थ. ओके, इट्स ए न्यू बर्थ, इट्स ए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फेज फॉर यू. यू आर going through a difficult time maybe, but it's not going to last forever. It's going to change your perception, your perspective completely. Okay, it's a kind of a transformation thing, like a turning of a caterpillar to butterfly, right? It's a painful process, but it will definitely help you to grow. आपकी growth होगी इसमें, because that is what here it is, right? Surrendering everything to the universe, surrendering to trusting the divine timings and leaving everything which was weighing you down. जो भी आपकी growth को रोक रहा था, somewhere you have cut off all that which was pushing you down or pulling you down. There जो भी conflicts थे जो आपको emotionally drain कर रहे थे, somewhere you have learned your lesson. आपने अपने lesson को सीख लिया है, and now you are focused on your growth. For some of you, I feel you're working on your intuitions, you're working on your this energy of pouring that love to yourself. जो अभी तक आप love दूसरों को दे रहे थे, वो अब आप खुद को दे रहे हो, which is a very good thing to do. Okay, that is what I see. And you are also, somewhere divinely connected. Maybe you are, getting that intuitive messages or intuitive dreams through when you are doing some meditation. So that is what I see is happening. And there is so much love. It's like, full of love energy. Maybe you're full of love within yourself, with yourself, and you don't really feel the need of having anybody else around you. Okay. Now the current energy here I see is the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Okay, so there is somebody who sees you or who is seeing you or observing you from afar. Maybe this person is at your workplace for some of you, and also if not, अगर आपने isolate कर रखा है अपने आप को, आप किसी से मिल नहीं रहे हो, तो आपके लिए message है that you need to step out and meet people. Okay, there is a energy of teamwork, और maybe अगर आप किसी person के साथ काम कर रहे हो, so it will help you to grow spiritually, emotionally, financially, in all the ways. All you have to do is to come out of this energy of am I enough? Okay, so yeah, you are always enough. All you have to do is to change your perspective. और जो यूनिवर्स आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दे रहा है, आपको उन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को ग्रैब करने की ज़रूरत है. वंस यू नो दैट what you are missing on, you need to grab it. So जो भी ये illusions, जो भी thoughts आ रहे हैं कि will it ever happen to me, is love made for me, so you need to come out of that zone. You need to come out of that scenarios which are coming in your mind. आपको उस चीज़ से बाहर निकलने की ज़रूरत है to see things. Okay, let's see the cards have. Yeah, so you need to walk away. You need to walk away from this mindset of जो भी आपको grow करने नहीं दे रहा है, आपको इससे बाहर निकलने की ज़रूरत है. You need to be curious. Okay, आपको नए लोगों से मिलने की ज़रूरत है, कुछ नया सीख रहे हो आप, तो you need to be more focused on it. But also you have to be mindful that you need to bring light in your own life, okay, before you can spread it to others. So that is what also you need to focus on. Also I see there is an energy of being playful. Maybe you are surrounded, आप ऐसे लोगों के आसपास में हो जो आपको energetic feel कराते हो, positive feel कराते हैं. Also there is an energy of working on something new, being energetic, being curious, and working on things for your own good. Yeah, there is a celebration coming in for sure. There is growth coming in, there is celebration coming in. अगर आप अपने आप को isolate कर रहे हो, तो there is need for you to step out, meet people and celebrate whatever achievement जो भी आपने achieve किया है. आपको दूसरों का wait करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, you can just celebrate your own achievements. That is what also I see is happening. Now let's see what is the current energy here. What's the current energy in love? What's the current energy in love? What's the current energy in love? So it's good that you kind of move out from the situation which was not working out. Yeah. So now you are setting yourself free and letting go. That is what you have to do. Okay, let go of what is not for your own good. Don't try to control everything. Just trust the universe and it will take away the things which are holding you back. Okay, there is somebody who is waiting to convey their feelings for you. Let's clarify Seven of Pentacles. But I do see there is someone who is watching you from afar and maybe waiting for the right time to reach out. This may be somebody who is already aware of what you have gone through in your life. Maybe an old friend or somebody who is somewhere also spiritual and is waiting for the same kind of connection जो आप अपने लाइफ में कनेक्शन चाह रहे हो. There is somebody who is also looking for same kind of connection. Yeah, this may be somebody who is, as I said, watching you from afar and also looking for, for a stable kind of connection. Somebody looking for a stable connection and a long-term connection. Let's see. Yeah, so you need to leave what is, not working for your own good. Let go of this heartbreak energy, let go of this pain, and just you need to set all that which is stopping you from growing into fire. Okay, fire means not, I'm not saying to put it on actually on fire, it's like just to release it. Okay, release it completely so that it won't it won't stop you from growing. It's time for you to move on in your life, move away from that darkness to the brightness, towards the sun, towards north, towards growth in your life. You don't have to sit back and hold on to what has happened, what has gone. So you need to come out of your subconscious fears. Okay, so once you come out, आप अपने जब डर से बाहर आओगे, आप अपने डर से लड़ोगे, तभी आप you can win. So that is what the energy is. आपको अपने subconscious fear से, maybe आपने जो past में experience किया है, that is somewhere causing you these fears of what if the same thing happens again. So you need to come out of that fear. Okay, you need to come out of that subconscious fear, because there is definitely a soulmate kind of connection waiting for you. Okay, there is a genuine connection waiting for you. As I said, somebody maybe, once you raise your frequency, you will attract the person with the same frequency in your life. Okay, so if you are in this energy of hurt, if you are in this energy of holding on to the past traumas, maybe you will attract somebody in the same lower frequency. So आपको अपनी frequency change करने की ज़रूरत है. वो होगा जब आप past को जाने दोगे और अपना perception change करके you are in this frequency of love and gratefulness for whatever experience you have gone through, right? Because there is definitely love coming in your life, and it's a beautiful connection. Maybe you're, yeah, see, there is somebody coming in your life with whom you will feel more good. Okay, these are the outcome I see. Like, this is somebody who will who will want to have a family with you, somebody coming with a long-term commitment energy, as I said. So you need to come out of this energy of lack and past traumas, heal yourself, and pour that love, give that love to yourself. जो आप अभी तक दूसरों को दे रहे थे, वो आप खुद को दो. Okay, that is how your frequency will increase and you will attract the person with a higher frequency matching to yours. Okay, so that is what I see is happening. There is somebody definitely coming with a long-term proposal. Yeah, so don't focus on the dark. Okay, you need to focus on the light. You don't have to be afraid of the thunder. Rather, you have to be hopeful that something good is definitely going to happen from this connection. Okay, I'll take this. There is a card which has flipped. Okay, yep. See, the Queen of Pentacles. So once you have this connection in your life, you will feel grounded, you will feel stable, secure. That is what I see you are looking for in a connection, right? So you need to change your perception, you need to change your perspective, you need to change your beliefs, and there is definitely love coming in. See, there is definitely love coming in. Somebody who will love you to the extent you want. Maybe आपने अभी तक जो भी concern, love, care दूसरों को दिया है, उसी तरह की energy somebody is coming with, and you will get what you have given. Okay, we will take one more card on love. There's a beautiful energy, but all you have to do is to change your frequency by letting go. जो आपको ग्रोथ करने में, आपकी ग्रोथ में आपको जो होल्ड बैक कर रहा है, आपको उसे जाने देना है. फिर मे बी इट्स जस्ट दीज आर जस्ट द थॉट्स. सी, It's just a thought. I was just saying, if these are the thoughts of the person coming in your mind, even if you're not in contact with this person, but the thoughts of this person are coming in your mind, you just have to let it come and let it go. Okay, after few maybe weeks or months, this will stop, because you need to focus your energy on your growth, on your happiness, and towards what is good for you, and what is that जो आप चाहते हो लाइफ से, आपको उस पर फोकस करना है. जो चला गया वो चला गया. ओके, सो डोंट वेस्ट योर एनर्जी ऑन व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड. Let's see what is the message from the angels and ancestors for you. This is a beautiful read, guys. I really liked it. Now, the star ancestor. See, follow the voice of your soul. As I said, you need to let go of what is not serving for your growth. Okay, just listen to your heart. Listen to what your heart is saying, what your soul is saying, and then follow that. Okay, so once you start fighting your fears, you will know that, you know, the best thing you can do is to come out of that flight mode into the fight mode. Accept the things, and you know, see what is there for you for the growth. Okay, तो आपको अपने डर से डरना नहीं है, उससे लड़ना है, तभी आप आगे बढ़ोगे. New friend, as I said, right, there is a new person coming in. Maybe it's somebody who is watching to you from afar and may come as a new friend initially, and maybe through social media, it can be through a mutual friend, it can be in your workplace, but there is somebody new coming in. Prosperity. See, I said there is, you are focused on your financial growth, right? So you need to change your frequency, and you will see growth and prosperity, happiness, celebration in your life in the near future. Nature, spend time with nature. Okay, so if you are feeling it hard, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि it's very difficult, बहुत मुश्किल है to let go of जो भी हुआ है उसको भूलना बहुत मुश्किल है, you know, you need some kind of support and आप किसी से share नहीं कर पा रहे हो, so best thing you can do is, you know, spend time with nature. Spend, you know, आप किसी पार्क में, किसी गार्डन में अकेले स्पेंड करिए टाइम. Not with the music, no phone, no music, no talking to anybody, just you and nature. Okay, आप सुबह जल्दी उठ के थोड़ा प्लांट्स के, अगर आपके घर में प्लांट्स हैं तो आप प्लांट्स के पास बैठिए, जस्ट टेक फ्रेश एयर एंड यू नो यू विल फील सो गुड. आप बेयर फुट वॉक कर सकते हो ग्रास पे या घर पे, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ यू नीड टू कनेक्ट with the nature. You can hug a tree, अगर आपके आसपास में ऐसा कुछ पॉसिबल है, where you have a beautiful garden or park or something, you need to hug a tree. Okay, and that will make you feel good. Okay, so it's a nature is like, you know, it will give you what you are looking for. Okay, so just ask for that love, that strength, that courage जो आपको चाहिए है to move on in your life, and you will see that support from everywhere. Okay, so that is what the reading is here, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Please do claim the positive energy that by mentioning that you pour the love you have been giving to others into yourself now, and focusing on your growth and your well-being and happiness. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.